Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel PHYSICSSIRJEE, and this is an announcement video for the website www.physicssurgery.in. It has been a dream for me to actually launch a website where I could give some resources for the students who are seriously preparing for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, and NEET Physics. Okay, so this website has been under works for quite a lot of time, and I would have loved to release this at the start of this year, but because of the budget issues, or you could say finance issues, got delayed. But finally, better late than ever. So this is my dream, one of the dreams. So there are many actually. I hope I realize them through this channel, and so I'm just happy to announce. It's a low-key announcement, but you will definitely get something out of it. So it's still under works, but I just wanted to make an initial announcement. You'll get something out of it if you have been a regular visitor to this particular channel. So I'll take you through a guided tour of this website right now, and tell you what is at present available on this website, and what would be the future of the website, and also the channel. Okay, so here's the landing page. So whenever you type www.physicssurgery.in, actually you can get rid of www. So it's just physicssurgery.in in your web browser. Then this would be the landing page. Landing page is something that terminology they use for the first view of the page when you type in a website. So this is how it would look. And to repeat, this is .in. Okay, right? So not .com, .in at present. And so let me directly take you to the website, and from there we'll actually see how it works and how aspirants can use it. Okay, so I'm now at the web browser. I hope you can see it. So physicssurgery.in, right? So the first, I will go through the sections on the top, right? So this is the home page, YouTube videos, then you have lectures, special series, problem sets, and about me. So we'll start with the YouTube videos, which would be much familiar if you have been the regular visitor to my channel. So what I have done, I'll try to show it. So once you press on this YouTube videos, right, you would move on to this particular page. So this is how I have divided the page into the major topics of physics syllabus. Okay, so including the JEE mains and JEE advanced syllabus. So a lot of students were finding it difficult to go through the channel, which has right now at this time of the making of this video, 200 plus videos are there on YouTube channel of PHYSICSSIRJEE. But since the playlists are limited on the front page of the channel, so I've made all the different subtopics you could see, right? So if imagine you want to go to electromagnetism, right? So if you press on this electromagnetism here, so what I have done is the entire topic of the electromagnetism is further subdivided into these parts. You could see the part one includes magnetic force and dipole. Then part two is Biot-Savart law, etc. Then flux and Faraday's law. Part four on the left side, if you carefully observe, is inductance LR circuits, and part five is AC. So whatever videos that we have on our channel, if you are finding it difficult to browse through in a systematic or subtopic manner, so it has been embedded into this website, right? And for example, if you want to go ahead with let's say the flux and Faraday's law, so in flux and Faraday's law, all the videos from the YouTube at present have been embedded here. So if you, let's suppose, want to find out the pathfinder video, so if I press it here, you could see on the right side that video along with the thumbnail. So you can either watch it here by pressing it here, or you can watch on YouTube. Can you see that link? You directly will land on the YouTube page of this particular video. So that's the advantage here of surfing through in this particular website where all the topics have been listed. Okay, so let's move on to the second part, the special series, right? I'll come back to the lectures. We'll try to talk about this at the end. Okay, so the special series part will look like this. It's nothing but the playlists that are there in the channel. So regular visitors will also understand that in the channel I run parallel series where the different videos are arranged in the order of their difficulty or the trend, like all the Pathfinder solutions at one place, the originals in the channel that I have created, right? So redos select solutions of important problems. Then there was a JEE Mains 2021 revision series, of which I uploaded 7 videos, so you can go through them. So if you press, the same logic will apply. So if, for example, you want all IIT JEE advanced solutions on the channel at one place, you can just press this one, and you will land on the page of all the solutions from the channel, right? Obviously I've done only few of them, I'll try to do more. So if you want the latest JEE 2020 solution, so here it is, you can watch it on the channel or directly go onto the YouTube. So this is the sorting that I have done, right, in order to ensure that JEE aspirants, especially during their last leg of preparation, have a choice in their hand on how to go about this particular revision. Okay, so I think you will find it helpful. And then another important thing is the problem sets. Okay, so this is something new that you will not actually get in the YouTube channel. So my dream was to set up the problem sets of different chapters which are important for covering all the concepts of the JEE syllabus, both mains and advanced. Okay, so if you press on this problem sets, you'll go on to this page. Right now, since the website is under works, you will come to this bottom page. So test your understanding by solving our problem sets. Right now I've uploaded the rotation mechanics part 1 and part 2. So these are in PDF format. You can just press and download. They're for free. And let me show you. Once you press, let's suppose, rotation part 1, then you'll end up getting this PDF file, as you could see. So the part 1 is a moment of inertia topic, torque and fixed axis rotation, tau equal to I alpha equation. So based on that, all the problems that are important for testing your understanding of this particular syllabus have been compiled at this place. Why I call it a compilation? Because not all questions would be new. Some of them you might have seen floating around in internet, but I have got them at one place. And some of them have been created by me over a period of time during my teaching for my students, who mostly are very serious students. So you'll find the questions to be of very good levels, exactly at JEE advanced level. You'll find a lot of sources and resources on the internet where you will have bulk of questions, but some of them don't seem to be matching with the JEE exam problem situations, especially of the latest model. So this is how it has been done. So let me quickly go take you through. So what I've done is I have divided them into part A and part B. Part A is level 1, which is based on theory of that particular topic. So you could see, right? So the theory questions, basic theory that is to be tested. Again, if you are not well versed with the theory, you will not be able to solve these questions actually. So that tells you where to go back and revise your concepts. Okay, so that's how the questions have been made. Again, part B is application part, which is again divided into sub parts of single option, correct, more than one, okay, etc. Some of the questions you would see, I've already taken up the video solutions of this on the channel, and also in the future I'll try to come up with the select solutions of this particular thing. Okay, so I'm trying to plan how to get to the solutions of this. Key has already been given at the end if you keep scrolling to the end. So I've already given the key. So this is the level 1 theory key, 11 questions, and somewhere around 37 questions for the level 2 application key. So you could see at the footer, I've tried my best to involve the channel, and those who want to come and check out the channel, they just need to press this one and they'll land up in the channel. So in the future, I plan to somehow give solutions to all these problems, and solving these problems definitely would help students understand what's the level of the topic required for JEE advanced especially. Okay, right? And if you go to mechanics part 2, right, so this is the part 2 where I've involved angular momentum conservation calculations and all those things, and rolling chapter. There's a part 3 also which involves toppling, collisions and all. It's under works. And also the rest of the topics I'll keep on uploading in the coming days on the channel, and that's problem sets. Okay, so let me repeat, in the problem sets section on the top, can you see, right? So yeah, the same thing, theory first and then problems. I'll just directly go to the last page of the part 2, and you could see, yeah, right. Some of the questions I've picked from standard books like Irido and Croto and modified them to the JEE model, and tried my best to cover almost all the concepts that are required based on my experience for JEE Advanced, especially keeping in mind JEE Advanced 2020 type of model into account. Okay, right. And so part one theory, again you'll have all the key, and then part two application. So this one is slightly lengthier part, so that's why more number of problems are there. And as you could see, I've tried my best to proofread and do everything to reduce the errors. So if there is any error either in the typing part or some missing information, or even the keys not properly printed, if you feel, then you can contact me at this particular mail ID, and please do mention in the subject line this particular part, right? So I want you to write error in key in, let's say, this particular file, rotation part 2 or rotation part 1, or in the future SHM file comes in SHM part 1 or something like that. So this is very important in the subject line when I'm reading my mails. Otherwise, it will get bypassed and I will not be able to reply or correct the. So in case the error is genuine, I'll be able to correct it and upload the modified file in the website. Okay, so that's the part for the problem sets. Let us go back to the next part, which is the lectures part. Okay, so when you press the lectures right now in the channel, you land on this particular page. It's actually not ready. So the comprehensive lecture series for JEE mains and advanced and NEET physics are going to be released soon. This is my ultimate dream, where the complete comprehensive lecture course, maybe of 250 to 300 hours of entire syllabus, should be uploaded in this, either the YouTube channel or on the website or on both. But this is a time taking process and also requires some kind of financial constraints are also there. So I'm looking for partners to invest. They're not sponsors like that, right? So I'm already having some talks with some people. So in the coming few months, I'll be able to start off this, because my ideas and all require certain studio to set up and all those things, right? If I don't get those partners and if financially things don't work out, still I will somehow make the lectures. And you have seen my YouTube videos, so you don't need my face. My work and my voice does the job very easily. So I'll make the lectures in the same way I have actually done the YouTube videos, in case I don't get the expensive setup to do the lectures. But those ideas that I have definitely make the lectures better. So I'm just waiting for that to happen. Until then, I have just said you can continue associating with me through the website problem sets and also the YouTube videos. Okay, right? And then you move on to the about me page. Okay, right. So the about me page, some right. So if you press the about me page, so um, same thing that you have been visiting my channel. If you go to the YouTube channel for the about me, you'll get the same information about my uh, qualification from IIT Madras, 2006 pass out batch. So AAR 251 in the open category in those years. I've been immediately after my college BTech that I have done. For the last 15 years, I've been in the teaching field for JEE physics. Okay, so and the recent times, last decade, I have worked in China campuses at Hyderabad, and have been blessed with students, I should say, who went on to actually score varieties of ranks, including AR1 to AR10, right? So we just are the guides for the students, and I am my association with brilliant students has given me great and fresh perspectives that has developed me into a better teacher year after year, and I'm keeping on improving. I hope I keep getting such students both offline and online. Okay, so something that my website designers have done, I put some photographs of me, right? This is a portrait done by one of my old students, so I love it. So I just wanted, whenever my website gets launched, I wanted that to be on my website. Okay, so and this photo, I wanted it to depict the idea of staying close to nature, or the word physis. Physis is the word from which the word physics is actually derived. It's Latin, and it means nature or natural world. So stay close to the nature. I would have liked this photo to have some trees and ecosystems to develop the idea that it's nature, but this is the closest I have, so maybe I'll modify the photo in the future. Okay, so I'm not the one who generally likes showing off the testimonials and all, but my friends and family have insisted that's how the modern world works. You need to publicize to get better children and better reach for the channel. So here I'm giving in, maybe they are right. So I have in the last few months requested some of my old students to actually give me some video testimonials. They were kind enough. Some of them have yet to reply. They are super busy, right? So but as and when I keep on getting more and more testimonials, I'll keep uploading them. May not have enough space here in the website, but I'll definitely put up the testimonials in the YouTube channel. So I have uploaded the one from 2013 AR1 JEE Advanced, and then rest of the things you could see on and read it from the website itself. I'm grateful to these students actually who have taken time out of their busy schedule to give me the video testimonial. So I'll be glad to upload them as and when I get them ready for the channel. Okay, so that is it. This is the tour for the channel. So let me just go back and announce a few more things before we wrap up this video. Okay, right. So upcoming announcements include membership program on the YouTube channel, right? So don't worry, whatever the free content that has been going on the channel will go uninterrupted. So the membership program will have some special perks, but not at the cost of learning of physics of the regular viewers. Okay, so there'll be a join button that will come up once the program gets approved by YouTube, besides the subscribe channel. So whenever that comes up, I'll actually take up another video to take you through the membership program, how it will financially help the channel. Also, all these website and my lecture plans will be coming to fruition if I do end up getting some financial benefit. Okay, so one thing's for sure, nothing which is going on in the channel will be changed. So it will go as it is. So some things, new things will come up in which the membership program will be applicable. Okay, so another thing, I am planning to start a highlights series. I'll explain more on that, and this would be aimed at helping students who are having exams immediately. So I'll try to explain what this highlights, physics highlights or Physicsssirjee highlights series is all about for the upcoming examinations. And also I've already put up a community post. I'm going to discuss about the Physicsssirjee Telegram group, where we'll have a nice family of JEE aspirants coming together to help each other. And also I'll also try to connect with students in daily basis, so that whenever I don't get time to make YouTube videos, I do end up having something to offer to the students through the Telegram group, and also from the problem sets of the website that I have already launched. Okay, so other social media presence, I should be actually on more social media accounts, and in different ways I would like to connect with the students in the physics world. So I'll try my best to keep update with it. So you can search for these on the Facebook. I have made a Facebook page where I'll be uploading some problems, also information about the upcoming things on the Physicsssirjee front, both on the YouTube channel and the website. So this is my Instagram ID, and this is my Twitter handle, which you can follow. Okay, so you could see Instagram and the Twitter ID, the space is not there for Physicsssirjee. Okay, right. So let's move forward, and to round it out, let me again reiterate, the channel name and the website name are the same, just that Physicsssirjee, it's .in and not .com, it's .in. .in just represents a website that is originating from India. Okay, so that's it. I hope you share this particular video with aspirants that are going to benefit both from the YouTube channel and also from the website that I have launched. So very happy announcement. And if you are a person who is watching it at present, then there will be more things to come up, and whenever I announce the Telegram group also, I'll try to post that video in the description, so you can join the Telegram group also once it is announced. Okay, so if you are from the future, you should know, and this is an old video that you are watching now, I should know this is all where it has actually started. Okay, so thanks a lot for all the support, and see you in the next physics video.